Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. Today at Daring Beefcake I have this little product here, the OOONO number 2. Now this little device here, it helps pick up speed cameras, road hazards and speed limits. And I haven't personally used it as such yet, so I can't really make like a personal review about it, but I'm just gonna show you a little unboxing video here where you can see what's inside of here, and also we'll just talk about a little bit about the app that you need to use the device. So if we just open this box here, you get that little box there, and then you open this box like so, and there's the device, the OOONO device, and it's got a charging cable. This charging is a USB-C type, and you can charge your device and then take it and use it in your car. The battery inside, it seems to be that it lasts a fairly long time before you need to charge it again, but so just before we talk about that, underneath here you will find the instructions. So it's always a good idea to have the instructions, and also inside of the box here there is that QR code there. So if you obviously get your camera from your phone and check that QR code, it will take you to the app that you need to use with the device. So yeah, that's your instructions there as well, and you can obviously have a look at that. So the product basically warns you, like other apps, like I don't know, Waze or the iPhone app or Google. They show you where they warn you of cameras and hazards and whatnot. But with this one, so you get a notification, you get a beep. This starts beeping when something's coming up, and then you can confirm by pressing the center button. So that there is a button, and you can confirm whether it's a speed camera or whether it's a hazard or whatnot. You can actually confirm with that. And also, if there's a hazard that was there and it's no longer there, I think you can also confirm that it's no longer there. So that sort of tells the other users of this device that the hazard, it's no longer there. You have also these two red sticky bits here. So if you remove that, you can stick these two. So you can stick that on somewhere on your car, and that next time you come to it, or you want to take the device, you will be able to take the device, and these two bits will remain in the car. So they are like magnetic, so you can stick that to your car. Even that, I think, is kind of magnetic, just about. Because that is picking up on these magnets here. So looking at the app itself, it's that one there, and you need to register. You need to register to that, and it will take you through all the steps of what you need to do. It will ask you to switch on the device. It will show you how it works and everything. And then you need to obviously allow notifications, and you need to allow for the app to track where you are, so it knows, obviously it can use the map. So to switch on this device, when you switch it on, it's going to connect to that. So it says at the moment not connected. So obviously I already registered and with it and whatnot. So if I switch it on, it switches on, and then it's connected. So Now obviously I can plan somewhere to go, and it will obviously guide me as a normal GPS navigation system, and it will obviously warn you when you come across something. So I haven't personally used it, so I haven't tried it yet, so I can't say whether it works well or it doesn't work well, or whatever. That will come with time. But I think this can be maybe most useful in circumstances where you go somewhere where you don't know the area. So for example, I drive from here to work every day, and I pretty much know where everything is. So I don't even use my own GPS. I don't really use that. However, whenever I go somewhere far, whatever, if I go on holidays or whatever, we come to areas that are unfamiliar and which could have certain things, cameras and whatnot, where you don't know where they are. I'm not a particular person that speeds. I always sort of stick to, I'm actually a bit slow driver, so I don't normally have issues with that, which anyway is not a good idea to speed, but sometimes on occasions it happens, or if you're sometimes going down the hill and there happens to be a camera, and your car starts speeding up without you even realizing. I mean, I'm talking about like an extra 5 miles an hour, and you can actually get a ticket. So anyway, this will actually beep and warn you of the camera coming along. So and then obviously you can just confirm by clicking on it. And if you click once, it confirms, I think, a speed camera. If you click twice, it confirms the hazard. And if you actually click the button at the top, it dismisses a hazard that was there. Something like that. That's what I was, when I was going through the instructions, setting it up here. That's what it more or less showed. So as I was saying, in terms of advantages or disadvantages, it could be an advantage because it bleeps when there is something there, and it's an audible bleep, and you can confirm it. As the obviously with other apps that you don't have a little device, you can't actually, technically by law, you can't really touch your phone anymore to confirm hazards or to unconfirm them or things like that. So it's one of those laws that it's a bit touchy, because I'm sure people are still having to do it sometimes. It's not impossible not to. But anyway, so if you wanna have a look at the device, I'll put a link to the company at the bottom of the video, and you can have a look and read about it, or have a look at other reviews and see what do you think, and perhaps it's something that you might like to get. So anyway, having said that, I think I'm gonna say bye now. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.